Hello everyone, a warm welcome from Vatsalyam. Today the reading that I've bought, I've actually enjoyed a lot doing this reading. So I hope you also enjoy watching this video. Today's reading is Messages from Mother Earth. So you will find your options as you proceed in the video. Whenever intuitively a message comes to a tarot reader, it is definitely meant for someone who will benefit from it. So see if my reading helps you to get some guidance or some insight into it. So let's see, and do comment and let me know about it. I hope you will enjoy this reading. So here are your options. Bowl of flowers, scattered stones, bundle of sticks, and pile of leaves. Since these messages are from Mother Earth, so I have selected those elements. See which element attracts you the most. You can see the entire video as a guidance for yourself, or you can pick up an option from this. Hello everyone. So all those who chose the option bowl of flowers, this is the reading for you. So let's see what Mother Earth is sending, what messages Mother Earth is sending. Mother Earth is telling you that there is travel for you. It can be a physical travel for a new job or relocation from one country to another. It can be for pleasure, it can be for business, it can be for education as well. It can also be health related. Maybe you want to travel for a consultation or a surgery from another doctor from another country. So maybe it can be for that reason also. There is also a travel that indicates the soul travel, our spirit travel, which wants to now walk on a path of discovering, seeking answers to questions that have been going within you. So there can be a soul travel for some, a spiritual journey might begin for some. Mother Earth is telling you there is going to be a closure and a beginning for you all. Also Mother Earth is telling you, she's asking you, she's sending this message to you that you will achieve a lot of respect in your life, but there might be a father figure in your life whom you are not close to. This message might be for few of you, not all, but there can be people who have some differences with their fathers. So this is the time Mother Earth is telling you, go to them, seek their blessing, benefit from their life experiences, their wisdom, their maturity. Use it in your life and move ahead. Mother Earth has a warning for you. The card is worry. She's telling you that you've been worrying on something for long and it is not paying you anyways. It is only bringing ill health to you, negativity, emotional blockage to you. Now is the time to stop worrying. Worrying is not the solution. Solution is to take actions toward that situation, to release that blockage and move ahead towards positivity. She also is sending you message of change that is coming into your life, and the card is instinct. You will start connecting to your instincts now more deeply and more consciously. You will start following the guidance, the direction your instincts give you. Mother Earth is saying the divine is supporting you. It is there as a guiding light in your life. You will be able to now make clear choices, more sensible decisions. You will benefit by taking the guidance from your instincts. We all have a masculine energy and a feminine energy. Following your instinct will help you in benefiting your masculine energy, because that is more of action that we take in the worldly routine for jobs or where to invest, stuff like this. So this will help you. So take your instincts seriously. She's sending this change in your discovering your own self within. Mother Earth is sending you a blessing as well. So she's sending you the blessing of let go. So any situation that you are in, she's asking you, she's blessing you to let go of it. She will help you to come out of that situation. Any past that you are holding on that is blocking you from within, she will help you to release it, let go of it. If you're holding on to a conflict, she will bless you to come out of that conflict. She wants you to let go of things that are not helping you grow as an individual, not helping you to become a positive person. So a beautiful blessing is coming your way through Mother Earth. There is a channel message which I have handwritten it. So it says, spread the fragrance of love, happiness, cheerfulness. Be a rose without the thorn. So this is your channel message. Mother Earth wants you to spread fragrance of love, happiness, like the flowers do. But when we take a rose in our hand and if there's a thorn, it pricks us, it hurts us. Don't hurt anybody. Give as much love, respect, happiness to others, because when we give happiness, we also get that happiness of giving or sharing something with others. So I hope you enjoyed your reading, you got some guidance, you benefited from it. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. So all those who chose this option of bundle of sticks. So this is your reading. So first we'll see what messages Mother Earth is giving you. Mother Earth is telling you, are you under illusion about what is your true love? Dig deep within you to search for right answers. Everything is hidden within us. We only need to do a soul search for us. Meditations, especially in nature, sitting on the grass, amongst flowers, under a tree, prayers, and connecting to nature in whichever way you want to will help you to perceive things from a different perceptions. You need to relax, you need to calm your mind, and then only will you be able to seek solutions, will you be able to see this situation from a different angle, from a different point of view. And when we see a change in our own perception, that's the time Mother Earth is saying that you are growing. You are bringing those little changes in your life that will benefit you in the journey of life. Mother Earth is assuring you that whichever path you are taken, whichever path you're moving on is the right path for you. There will be growth on this path, be it spiritual journey or your materialistic growth. Both will happen for you. She's telling you, just keep moving ahead with patience, trust, and hard work. Now let's see what warning she's giving you. Warning is perseverance. She's telling you, are you wanting to quit? You feel that you can't do anymore, you can't take anymore, you can't take this stress, this burden. Mother Earth is warning you not to do it. She's telling you that all the strength lies in your mind. You have to train your mind to move ahead. Look at the positive side. Motivate and achieve what you want to. Train your mind in such a way that it keeps motivating you and discouraging you from taking a negative step or a negative thought coming to yourself. You can use affirmations for your mental strength and according to your situations. Now let's see, Mother Earth is bringing changes in your life. What changes are they? It's the change of faith. She's telling you that you have the power to change how you think and how you act. Divine, archangels, spirit guides, your entire spirit team and Mother Earth are all going to help you bring this change. Life brings us through different situations in our life, different challenges, and each challenge comes because there is now time to change something within you. And Mother Earth is now bringing this. Maybe there is some lack in your faith, in yourself, towards divine. Mother Earth is telling you, keep that faith, and you will see how changes come into your life and beautifully transform you as a person. What blessing is coming your way? The blessing is no need to worry. So she's telling you, just leave everything to divine. Divine timing is the perfect timing. When divine has planned something for you, it will come to your life. All that you need to do is your work. Whatever is in your hands, don't lose it. Don't give up on this. Just keep working towards achieving it, and divine will bless you whenever it is the right time. There is a channel message which is handwritten, and the message says, gather your scattered relations, emotions, your own self. Tie them all together. Strength and smile will come. Mother Earth is telling you that like this bundle of sticks is tied together, same way, bring in all the relationships that are that you feel are scattered. Bring them together. Bring your emotions together. Tie everything together. And when you do this, you automatically get a strength within you that yes, my family is with me. I have a support in my life. And that strength calms you down. That happiness of being with your family, with your people who love you, whom you love, it brings a smile on our face. So I hope you enjoyed this reading. You could get some guidance from it, some help from it. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Hello everyone, and if you've chosen the option of scattered stones, so this is your reading. So here Mother Earth is giving you the message that you don't have to bother what people say, what people think about you. Don't blame yourself for picking up a wrong option, a wrong choice. This is all part of life. Not all our decisions are right. Not all our decisions are wrong. Soon you are going to get a good news. It can be in regard to your job, a renewal in your contract, a new project coming your way, or any kind of information that you've been waiting for that is going to bring a smile on your face. Mother Earth is telling you that you are confident, you are independent, and now is the time to take actions. You're full of business plans, you're full of ideas, you're full of proposals. Now is the time to bring all this into action. You have lots of capabilities, lot of skills. You have to start polishing them and showing the world what you are capable of doing. Mother Earth is warning you about, the card is humor. She's telling you that you are too serious. You're taking life too seriously. You are ignoring the fun part of life. You're ignoring the joy of spending time with your friends. You're ignoring the joy of just standing and feeling that fresh breeze. You have to step out of your house and you have to enjoy this part of life as well. If you're going to stay entangled in that serious energy, you will never be able to strike a balance. These energies will block you. They will make you stuck. Mother Earth is warning you now. She's telling you, step out and bring a balance into your life. And once you see the lighter side of life, you start seeing situations, problems, challenges with a different perspective. If a problem comes, you will not panic then. Then you will say, okay, this is the challenge that I have to face. Okay, so let's see what solutions I can work out. So this is how you'll be able to stay calm and find solutions, but only if you introduce yourself to the lighter part of the life. Mother Earth wants you to bring a change in yourself. She's helping you to bring this change. So the card is perseverance. Mother Earth wants to help you to bring change in your perception of not giving up, of not only looking down. She wants to help you to bring that change by making you an observer towards life, observer towards situations. She wants you to expand yourself, especially the emotional expansion. Be more receiving. expand it up and ask yourself, how many times have you given up? And you'll get your answers. She's asking you to stay positive, and she's helping you to bring that change. She's sending a blessing your way. So let's see what is the blessing. She's saying you are ready. And if a mother feels you are ready, then yes, you are ready. You are ready to take charge of your life. You are ready to take charge of the situation you are in, of the challenges coming your way, to face them, solve them, and come out as a victorious person. She feels you are ready to take the responsibility of your actions. She's ready. You are ready to bring your plans into action now. Mother Earth is helping you by giving you warning, helping bring that change and blessings. If you follow her guidance from warning to blessing, it will not take much time. All you need to do is just trust yourself and have trust in divine. There's a challenged message that I got, which I've handwritten. There are 2 messages in fact. So it says, your strength is like hard rock. Alone you are enough. Like a rock is enough, it doesn't need anything else. Same way, your strength is like a hard rock. With that strength alone, you can cross any mountain coming your way. Second is, polish your skills, your beliefs, personality, and perception. Like we as human beings polish, bring a raw crystal and polish it up and give it a shape. That's how Mother Earth wants you to polish yourself. She wants you to work towards it. She wants you to polish your personality so that you can shine in your life, and people can feel, wow, this is the person who was like this before, and now look at this person. That change, that reflection of your polishing will be revealed to people. This is what Mother Earth wants you to do. I hope as much as I enjoyed doing this reading, you enjoyed listening to it. I hope you'll carry back some guidance and help from this reading. Thank you. Hello. So all those who chose the option of pile of leaves, this is the reading for you. So let's see what messages Mother Earth has for you. Mother Earth is telling you that I've seen you working hard. I've seen you struggle. I've seen you go through so much of tough time. And now she's sending security, stability in your life. She's helping you to lay that foundation of your security and stability. Here, some of you might also be digging a foundation for your new home or an office place, or planning to buy a new house for yourself. Mother Earth is telling you that if you were stuck between 2 choices, which one to pick, which direction to take, do a soul travel. All the answers lie within us. Just in case you are unable to connect to it, you are unable to understand or unable to take that guidance, you can seek help from people around you like astrologers, numerologists, tarot readers, or any experienced person in your life can help you to come out of this situation. Some of you can also be undergoing a marriage ceremony or any traditional ceremony at your place. Mother Earth has a warning for you. The card is abundance. Mother Earth is saying, don't think that your hard work is not noticed, not recognized, or not valued by the universe. Universe has given you the beautiful gift of abundance. Abundance not necessarily be wealth itself. It can also be the abundance of your strength, your hard work, your capabilities. Recognize that, and you can achieve anything you want to, and you will surely be rewarded for it. Mother Earth is helping you to bring a change in your life. The card is joy. She's telling you that joy is not a state. It is an action that has to be created. So if you're getting married, then obviously you're planning for it and there is joy obviously coming into your life. But those who are not planning this joy, they need to plan it. Mother Earth is going to help you to plan that joy into your life so that you come out of a blocked energy, a negative state and come into this joyful state of life. She's sharing a blessing with you, sending a blessing your way, and that is ask for help from others. At times we hesitate to take help, and the reasons can be that we don't trust people, or we feel, how are they going to judge us? How are they going to take us, understand us? So Mother Earth here is saying the blessing is around you. The person who will guide you, who can help you, is around you. You have to open your eyes, trust, and reach out to them. And you will come out of your situation. You will get that guidance, you will get that direction, and you can move ahead on it. This is a beautiful blessing coming your way. There was a channeled message, which is a handwritten message by me. So it says, a leaf falls, dries, and a new leaf comes. Rise after every failure. You have the power to grow into a new leaf. Mother Earth is telling you that like the process of leaf is never ending. So there are failures in our lives, but we don't have to feel disheartened from them. Each time we face a failure, it's time to bring a change in us. It's time to gather all our strength again and rise again, and then grow from that new leaf to a big leaf, ready for some more challenges. So Mother Earth is sending this message to you, and I hope it will benefit to you. As much as I enjoyed doing this reading, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as well. I hope you have taken some guidance from it, and wish you a great life ahead. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe Vatsalyam and hit the bell icon. Thank you.